crew from Nakhon Ratchapat University with that Adarna Bird, a portal of the Philippines.
The faraway kingdom of Bourbon, the king lay ill. His condition was so serious that everyone feared he would die. Doctors, young and old, from places far and near, came to kill the king, but failed.
By the Adarna Bird.
Do you mean the Adarna Bird of Tabor?
Yes, the Adarna Bird of Tabor that is known for its enchantment.
But how can we bring it here?
It had to be captured and then brought to the palace.
We will get the magical bird, father. Thank you, my son, but I cannot allow of you to live at the same time.
Being your eldest son, I beg you to let me get the Adarna Bird.
I give you permission, Pedro. May God bless and guide you on your journey.
Don Pedro rode many days over hill to valley, and he crossed many rivers until he came to Mount Tabor.
The baby has been away for a long time.
May I go to Mount Tabor, father? I will look for my brother and catch the Adarna Bird.
No, you are too young to undertake such a perilous journey.
Then, let's keep going far further. We in the second illness. I can take care of myself.
It may be wise to promise the Edo.
You may go there. With my blessing, Diego. Take good care of yourself, son.
The second son also set out in December. He underwent the same journey and came to exactly the same bitter fate as his brother.
My queen, is there no news of Pedro and Diego yet?
None, my beloved.
Oh, I wonder what has become of the two princes. I should have given them permission.
Please don't blame yourself, Father. I may be young in years, but I'm strong. I'm hopeful that I will find my brother and bring home the magical Adarna Bird too.
Also, don't worry. He is wise and kind. The God will surely protect him.
I thank you, Father.
Go then, son. May God guide and preserve our kingdom.
Oh, you must be tired and hungry. There's some bread and cheese in my bag. Let's have it for a friend until he's really free. Oh, wonderful soul. Thank you very much. I am free from hunger. Here. One return deserves another. I know where you are going, and I can tell you. Listen, the Adarna Bird stay on a tree with silver leaf. After singing the last melody, it goes to sleep, but cannot be touched with your bare hands alone. So, here is golden cord. Thank you very much for earning it. With God's help and yours, I'm ready to go. No, not yet. The Adarna song has a magic spell. It makes the hearer to sleep. Picture to him right away. For if the droppings of the bird fall on you, you turn into stone. I will try very hard not to sleep. Take this lemon and knife with you. Make a cut on your arm and squeeze lemon juice over you. The pain will keep you awake. Oh, thanks for your advice. The Adarna Bird will never find me napping. You may go now, son. Thank you. Oh, by the way, here is a magical water. Pour it over the ruby stone under the silver tree. Your petrified brother. My brothers! Your brother will be brought back to life. May God bless you. Thank you so much, kind Ernie. Goodbye. Goodbye.
Prince Don Juan cried the tower burning. Eagerly under the silver tree, he waited for the Adarna Bird. Soon he heard the flapping of wings.
What are you carrying? What?
It's the Adarna Bird.
Here it is. Then, can it?
Let's hurry home, brothers. Come on.
Listen, Diego.
What's on your mind?
How can you face the king and the queen? Something must be done to save our honor.
What are we going to do?
We must put one to death and take the bird home ourselves.
Oh my son! We are glad you have returned.
But where is Don Juan? He went to look for you.
We have seen our father.
I know nothing about one.
It is possible that some misfortune has befallen him.
Oh, poor one. I shouldn't have allowed him to go. He is too young.
Father, be happy. We have another bird. We had power of making you well.
Let us forget one and listen to the song of the Adarna Bird.
Sing us one, another bird, and bring the king back to hell.
I command you to sing Adarna Bird, the king will sing for your sweet lullaby.
I have much doubt that you have bought the Adarna Bird.
Of course.
This is Adarna Bird.
Hush! The Adarna Bird is speaking. Your Majesty, I am the Adarna Bird of Turtle, but I feel so miserable. That's my heart is almost breaking. That's why I refuse to sing.
Why do you feel sad, my dear Adarna Bird?
Because the son who captures me now lies unconscious and helpless.
Which son? Adarna Bird? The Prince Don Juan?
Our youngest son come to you. Yes, his best and kind son, the Prince Don Juan succeeded, where Don Pedro and Don Diego failed. And these two wicked princes would have been dead, but Don Juan tables were saved.
That's not true. We haven't seen our mother once.
They're liars! They're the sons! Oh King, for David, with Don Juan and the bride on his breeding.
How could you do such an evil thing to your own brother? You shall be punished for this misdeed.
But who comes here? My son! Don Juan, who bore you unhurt are you?
Okay, ma'am. I have returned, father.
Oh, son, what have the elder brothers done?
The beats me till the dawn undead. I owe my life to an old hermit.
Forgive my brother! Forgive my brother one!
Miserable wretches, how can I ever forgive you too?
Oh King, have mercy on your sons!
Father, I beg you to spare my two brothers. After all, the Adarna Bird is here, and I have come back safe and sound. Let bygones be bygones.
And now, your Majesty, I will sing very sweetly to kill the king of his strange melody.
As if by a magic, the king was killed by the song of the Adarna Bird, and the bird endeared itself to everyone in the palace. And once again, peace, merriment reigned in the kingdom. The Adarna Bird, an 18th century ballad of the southern Philippines.